Mizmor 9, Psalm 9. To the chief musician upon Muthlabin, a song of David. I will praise you, O Most High, with my whole heart. I will show forth all your marvelous works. I will be glad and rejoice in you. I will sing the praise to your name, O you Most High. When my enemies retreat, they shall fall and perish at your presence. For you have maintained my right and my cause. You sit in the throne, judging righteously. You have rebuked the heathen. You have destroyed the wicked. You have put out their name forever and ever. O you enemy, destructions are come to a perpetual end, and you have destroyed cities. Their memorial is perished with them. But the Most High YAHWAH shall endure forever. He has established his throne for judgment, and he shall judge the world in his righteousness. He shall minister judgment to the people in uprightness. The Most High YAHWAH also will be a refuge for the oppressed and distressed, a refuge in times of trouble. And they that know your name, will put their trust in you. For you, Most High YAHWAH, has not forsaken them that seek you. Sing praises to the Most High which dwells in Zion. Declare among the people his doings. When he makes inquisitions for blood, he remembers them. He forgets not the cry of the humble. Have mercy upon me, O YAHWAH. Consider my trouble which I suffer of them that hate me. You that lift me up from the gates of death, that I may show forth all your praise in the gates of the daughter of Zion. I will rejoice in your salvation. The heathen are sunk down in the pit, they that made it. In the net which they have hid is their own foot taken. The Most High is known by the righteousness which he executes. The wicked is snared in the work of his own hands. Chigion Selah. The wicked shall be turned into Sheol, and all the nations that forgot the Most High. For the needy shall not always be forgotten. The expectation of the poor shall not perish forever. Arise, O YAHWAH, let not man prevail. Let the heathen be judged in your sight. Put them in fear, O YAHWAH Most High, that the nations may know themselves to be but men. Salah. Mizmor, Psalm 9.